about ready for the expo. Just about to start. Is that okay? Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, man, it's good.
One day, each spring and fall semester, Georgia Tech's basketball arena turns into an inventor's paradise.
You are at the Capstone Design Expo at Georgia Tech.
It's where the rubber meets the road, where seniors head to the arena, set up booths, and showcase their senior design projects. It's where a robot could follow you into an elevator or beat you at a game of Connect 4.
It's the largest expo like that in the country. And it's so impressive to see all the students there.
Many of these projects were built by ECE students.
ECE stands for Electrical and Computer Engineering. It's students that are interested in power, students interested in microelectronics, optics, controls, digital systems.
So we designed a what we call a simultaneous audio sampling device.
I didn't code before I came to college, so like making an Android application for my smartphone, like something that I use like every day, it's pretty cool.
Okay, this is the Sports Hit Tracker Weekly stuff.
The first step in senior design is to pick a team and a project. Project ideas can come from a professor or from an industry partner.
Companies would like students to come work for them, and so a lot of companies sponsor these jobs as a way of recruiting students.
A lot of times, students come up with their own ideas.
Right when I got accepted to Tech, I pretty much immediately started thinking about the senior design project. I wanted to do something that I was interested in.
Ryan decided to build an energy-efficient go-kart.
Ryan posted something online, and Mary and I said, hey, that sounds like could be a fun project.
Fun and challenging. Teams have just 2 semesters to figure out who does what and turn ideas into something real.
Teamwork is really important because when students get out in industry, what they're going to find is that they have to work in groups.
We have a advanced camera home security system.
We had to split up the work. It was different from working alone than working as a team. It was hard at first, but as things kind of get going and the project starts coming together, it's a really cool thing.
You have brilliant minds all around that are always willing to help you.
Professors like Pamela Botti help teams through the tough spots.
Part of my job is to understand their timeline and to see where they may have challenges and to guide them.
We are rejuvenating the chess game by illuminating the possible paths that a particular piece can take to teach individuals how to play chess.
So inside it you have a printed circuit board with lots and lots of circuits.
And this is actually our PCB board, printed circuit board. This is one 4x4, and there are 4 of these inside this frame.
We have a very, very, very good design lab here, as well as hardware support.
You can see how it's done on the machine. They bolt a bracket here. We guide and assist the students. We do safety classes on all the machines. We keep as current as possible. I believe we have probably the most current equipment available. You get to see some of the best and brightest. You really do.
So if I put my hand here, it triggered the alarm, or if I try to steal the tea, again, the alarm went off. The reason why I love engineering is because it's always problem solving. It was challenging at some points, but that's half the fun, right? Is trying to figure out why it's not working and what do I need to do to get it to work. And it's so satisfying when it actually does work, which it should be working. Is it working?
Our device allows you to know what is in your pantry and your refrigerator at all times, using weight and RFID to identify a product. We've had some difficulties with going through the process, but we've come through with a big success.
It's one of dozens of ECE projects that make the grade at the expo.
This is our go-kart we made. So, yeah, we have these 4 batteries, and then we have this electric motor on the back. So when you accelerate, the energy comes out of these batteries, powers the vehicle, and then when you coast, the energy goes back through these wires and goes back into the batteries.
That's the money shot, the money shot.
For slow cooking, you can monitor the temperature and control it with an app on your phone.
Our project is the Wear DJ, and it's a glove that uses accelerometers and gyroscopes in order to control bits and pieces of DJ software.
It actually gives you a lot of hands-on experience, so you apply all your knowledge from all your courses.
It's a great experience. I learned a lot. You learn a lot not only about your area of study, but about how to work in a team, how to work in a group, and it's really real-world applications.
Senior projects are judged.
Do we have any electrical and computer engineers here?
And some, like Ryan's team, take home awards.
When you're trying to figure out what you want to do, look at what you love to do and pursue that.
A week from now, most of these students here will graduate from Georgia Tech, knowing a lot more about what it takes to get the job done.
After I graduate, I'll be headed to National Instruments in Austin, Texas.
I'm going to be working with IBM in Austin.
Yeah, and I'll be in Austin as well, working with National Instruments.
I actually have a job over in San Francisco working for Apple on iPhones.
I had about 14 offers coming out, and all of them were very, very competitive.
I'm going to work for Georgia Pacific in a mill in Alabama.
I'm staying here for my PhD. I'm doing a development program with Eaton Corporation.
Anyone from Tesla Motors sees this, and I would like to work there.